I am long-term bullish gold prices. I think it makes a lot of sense for them to push to the upside given the fundamentals. It looks to me that Trump is aiming for at least 10% tariffs across the board for all countries. This would lead to inflation, and then the idea is to take this money to cut personal taxes in the US. That would lead higher growth. But the unemployment rate is already at 4.2%. So how much lower can it go? Usually when the unemployment rate is really low, it tends to lead to inflation. So there's a risk we have more inflation down the line. So I do think gold is bullish. As well, if you look at this from a daily point of view, the RSI has now reset. So we're back at the 50 level. This is a good time to buy. Per this, as well, you have the 200 moving average. But there are a few things that are a little bit worrying, and we shouldn't ignore them. So the key level that the market is watching right now is 3,199. The price bounced from this level on 1st of May as well. It grazed it on the 12th, so that would be yesterday. It also acted as support on April 14th. So this is an important level now for people, and realistically they have stop loss orders just below there. So that is a very important level. This is also interesting when we can connect it like this. This turns now into a descending triangle pattern. So if we measure from the midpoint of the pattern, we can see that the difference from here to the neckline is $229. So if we would trade below here, the pattern suggests we can go all the way down towards this low. So if we break here, it could be that we're going to trade lower, possibly all the way down here. There's an alternative, which may be more likely even, and that is that we trade slightly lower, trigger all the stop loss orders, and then push higher and close above it. If that would happen, this would be negated, and then maybe we could have something where it goes like that instead, which is probably the more interesting outlook. What's your take?